Okay, guys, today we're going to focus on possessive nouns, singular and plural. Remember, singular means one, plural means two or more. So when we talk about possessives, we are talking about something that belongs to someone. So our noun could be Mrs. Upton. If we want to talk about a pen that Mrs. Upton has, we'd say Mrs. Upton, we'd put an apostrophe S, and we'd say Mrs. Upton's pen. That apostrophe S means that that pen belongs to me. It's not lots of Mrs. Uptons, it's Mrs. Upton and a pen that belongs to her. Now, if your noun is plural, like the word teachers, when we say the word teachers, we have more than one because that S tells us. When we talk about the teacher's work, lots of teachers have work, but the work still belongs to them. So if we're talking about the teacher's work, we're going to put the apostrophe here because the word is already plural. So we wouldn't go teacher's work. We put the apostrophe and we put the apostrophe after the S. Okay, so let's look at another one. If we said the cat has a mouse, it would be the cat's, because it's one cat, the cat's mouse. And let's say you have lots of pet cats. Let's say we're talking about 3 cats. So let's make 3 little kitties, give them each some ears. It's the cat's, let's put them in one of those little beds. It's the cat's bed. So you have more than one cat. The cats have a bed. So we're going to write that. The cats have a bed. If we're looking at that, we have more than one cat, right? So it's the cats, more than one cat. We put the apostrophe on the outside, the cat's bed. Okay, so that helps us there. So let's look at another example. I know this is kind of confusing, so let's work through this the best we can. So in this one, we have our noun, the dog. There's your dog. And what does he have? The dog has a bone. So we're going to talk about the bone that belongs to the dog. That is the dog's bone. One dog, apostrophe, and then the S. One dog's bone. The dog's bones, so we've got this dog and this dog and this dog. The 3 dogs' bones are in the yard. So because dogs means 1, 2, 3, more than one dog, we put the apostrophe after because we're talking about more than one dog. Okay, so hopefully that helps a little bit. So when we go over to our spelling list here, that should make this a little bit better to understand. So we've got the boys. So this is a singular or plural. Look at where your apostrophe is. Is it apostrophe S or is it S apostrophe? This is 1, 2, let's say 3. 3 boys. The boys' balls are out on the yard. Okay. Cats. We have an apostrophe S. So how many cats do we have? We have 1 cat because the apostrophe comes before the S. If the apostrophe wasn't there, it would be lots of cats. But we've got 1 cat. So it's the cat's mouse. Okay? This is your special one. So I want you to put a little star by this one because this one's super tricky. This word children already means more than one. Okay, so this is lots of children, but this is the one that is the exception because we wouldn't say the children's. We talk about children when we say the word children, we mean lots without an S on it. So now when we have the apostrophe S, it means the many children's toys. Okay, let's get rid of this. Look, classes. So we're talking about Mrs. Stallings, Mrs. Malicote, and Mrs. Upton. The classes are working, the classes work was on the table. Okay, because we have the apostrophe here, we're talking about more than one class's work, the work that belongs to all of the classes. Okay, here we've got doctors. Oh, there's that apostrophe after the S. So this is a whole bunch of doctors. The doctor's work was very hard. Lots of doctors are working on the work. The dogs. So look, we have dogs, cover the apostrophe. It's the bones that belong to the many dogs. So we've got more than one dog. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4 dogs. The dog's bones are out in the yard. Okay, is this one house or many houses? Many houses, because the apostrophe comes after the S. The house's doors were all red. Okay, so the many houses. So we've got, this is like talking about a neighborhood. So we've got the many houses' doors were all red. Moms. Well, moms, this is an apostrophe S. So if we cover up that apostrophe S, it's one mom. It's mom's purse. Mom's purple purse is my favorite. Okay, if we look at this one, this is covered up, apostrophe S. Apostrophe S means it's just a single. So it's the sun. The sun's heat, the heat that belongs to the suns. We don't have more than one sun. We have one sun. Okay. Tree, apostrophe S. So that's one tree, and it's the leaves that belong to the one tree. So the tree's leaves were bright green. Okay, so that's just to kind of help you guys out with that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go over, let's do this one first. Okay, I'm going to zoom in here, make it a little bit easier to see. Okay, it says add an apostrophe or apostrophe S to each word to make it possessive. Write the new word on the line, then use one of the words you wrote to finish each sentence. Okay, so boy. It's singular. There's no S on the end, so we're going to put B-O-Y apostrophe S. Okay, we're going to do the first 4. We'll do 4 back and forth together, and you guys can do the rest. Ooh, and I'm going to put a star here because we'll do that one because that's a hard one. Okay, go over to number 5. Chair. Are they talking about one chair or many chairs? It's one chair. So if it's one chair, do we use apostrophe or apostrophe S? So we're going to say the chair's legs. So it's apostrophe S. It's a single chair, so we use the apostrophe S. Let's go down to this one. Cats. Oh, look at that. That S tells me it's more than one cat. So all we're going to do is add the apostrophe after the S. The cat's bed. Remember that one? All the 3 cats were in the bed. Okay, let's go down to number 8. Children. Children, is that one or more than one? Children means more than one, but remember, that's that special one. So we're going to, even though we're supposed to put just an apostrophe, there's no S there, so we have to add the apostrophe S. Okay, so I'm going to leave you guys to do 2, 3, 4, 7, and then the rest of those need to be done by yourself. Okay, let's go to the next page. Here's the other possessives page. Why don't we do 1, 2, and 3 together, and then we'll go from there. It says write a spelling word to complete the sentence. All the blank leashes are hanging by the door. All the sun's leashes? All the house's leashes? All the cat's leashes? Ooh, we've got a hint here. It's leashes. Do you need more than one leash for a cat? Nope. So that means that one's not going to work. The children's leashes? Oh, I hope not. The doctor's leashes? Do doctors need leashes? No. The dog's leashes. Oh, and look, and it's an S and an apostrophe, so it means more than one dog. So we're going to use that one. The dog's leashes are hanging by the door. So now I'm going to cross that one out because I know I don't need to use it again. My blank sister is my Aunt Kathy. Ooh, whose sister would be my aunt? Not the sun, not houses. Cats don't make my aunt. Children, doctors. The doctor's sister is my Aunt Kay. It's lots of doctors, though. It's that S apostrophe. So I think I'm going to have to go with my mom's sister. How many moms do you have? Some people might have more than one, but this one's just talking about one mom. So mom's sister. It's the sister that belongs to mom. Okay, last one. Are the blank offices close to the hospital? Ooh, hospital's our hint. So what could we put in there that would work? Are the blanks offices close to the hospital? The offices that belong to the sun? No. The offices that belong to the house? Nope. The offices that belong to a cat? The cat's offices? Does a cat have more than one office? Nope. The children's offices. Do children have offices? No. How about the doctors? Yep, that would be it. The doctors. And it's more than one doctor, so S and then an apostrophe. Okay, so let's cross that one out. I'm going to leave you guys to finish number 4 through number 10. Let's flip it over. This is one last thing. Okay, so this one you're just going to kind of pick them out. So it says, write the correct spelling word. Singular possessive ending in apostrophe S. So you're going to find all the words that end in apostrophe S, like sons. I'll give you a hint. Like sons is one, so that one's done. And I'm going to go to the next one. Houses, is that an apostrophe S? Nope, that's S apostrophe. Cats, apostrophe S, so that one would go down here. Children's, ooh, is that singular? Nope, that's not singular, so we're going to move on. Plural possessives ending in S apostrophe. So you're going to find those words that end in S apostrophe. And this, oh, remember that special word? A plural possessive ending in apostrophe S. What was that one word that doesn't fit the mold? I'm going to give it to you this time because this one's really tricky. It's children's. So the children's teachers. So children is plural. And then we have an apostrophe S for what belongs to the children, okay? And then this one down here says circle possessives. So circle the nouns that are possessive that show ownership by a person or people. So is the sun a kind of person? Nope. Are children people or a person? Maybe. Are trees a people or a person? Are moms a person or people? Okay, so you have to circle. I'll give you a hint. There are 2 answers on this one. And there are 2 here to circle on 12. Okay, I know this has been kind of tough. So if you guys have a hard time with this, you can bring your questions to the Zoom meeting on Thursday and let me know if you need any more help. Good luck. You guys will do awesome. I know you can do it. Bye.